as it slips through your fingers. I ain't telling no lies. So F all the drama, F the karma, just do what you wanna. Promise you got time. Leave.
Monaco, love it or hate it, the place is gorgeous. But today, I want something different, so let's get out of here.
Baby, let me tell you what it feels like. Being independent, no trouble inside. It's like magic, living like a bad bitch. 'Cause baby, you deserve the best in life. Let me tell you what it feels like.
But you see, the thing about life, the joy in life, is having choices. I mean, here I am in the south of France, small village, Monaco, being such a famous influencer as myself. Now, to complete my happiness, I need an electric car. Obviously, I'm pro-eco. Obviously, I'm green. All my fake friends, green friends around here are driving electric cars. I mean, Teslas, Beamers, Mercs. It's all a little bit boring, because I want to be different. I am different. I have to be different. And here comes Polestar promising all these things to fulfill my dream. But what is it gonna be, really? 1,
2, 3.
You see, when you drive this car around Monaco, everybody's looking. I wonder why they're looking. They don't know what the car is, or they like it, or a bit of both actually. But you see, the advantage of living in Monaco is that you can bash the heck out of this car on a twisty road like this. And we certainly have got a bit of meat on the bones to push this car over 400 horsepower, 660 newton meters of torque. It is very, very punchy. You just brush on the accelerator and boom. Now this is the most powerful version, and I do have what's called the performance pack. Now the performance pack gives you stronger brakes. Of course they're golden, and you're gonna start better with golden brakes, aren't you? And those sort of golden-ish seat belts. In the sport mode, this car is very alive. I've got my steering in a firm setting, and it's sharp, it is precise. Now the handling in this car is superb. I've got all-wheel drive system, so plenty of grip. We are sticking to the road the way we should be sticking to the road. Now, this car is very quick actually, because 0 to 100, 4.7 seconds, so it can. In fact, it should compete with the likes of Tesla Model 3. Now when you're done going bananas, you just flick this car back to comfort mode. With the performance pack, you do get firmer suspension, but even with the firmer suspension, this car is actually very comfy, and you don't really feel bumps, imperfections on the road. So you hop on the motorway, there's a little bit of a wind whistle, but overall this is actually a solid cruiser. You've got nice visibility overall, fantastic cameras, easy, chilled, relaxing, brilliant car for a daily driver.
Speak to another. The sign to constantly see through each other. You love that, you know that, you love that, you know that, you love that.
I do like the infotainment system because it's beautiful screen, crisp and crystal clear graphics. You have also Spotify. You don't actually have to pay your phone, you just have to pair it once and that's it. But I'll show you Google Maps. Now we do have an active built-in SIM card, which means you're always online. So let's say, for example, you'd like to travel to Neuchâtel in Switzerland. The system will tell you how much battery you're going to have upon arriving, and if you need charging, it'll tell you what are the charging stations, how expensive they are or how cheap they are they available, have they broken down, and so on and so forth. It's a brilliant feature if you want to travel a long distance or sort of medium distance as well. Look at the graphics. I mean, it's just, the map is gorgeous. I mean, the area here is gorgeous. There you go. Very, very handy.
You love that, you know that, you love that, you know that, you love that, you know that. I have thought about this moment.
Okay, let's check the back seat. Do I have enough room to carry my Monaco influencer friends? Let's see. Actually, there's plenty of legroom, plenty of headroom with this beautiful sunroof. What about the middle seats? Well, this is the situation. Actually, this is a perfect place to put your fake friends in here. But overall, actually, there's plenty of space. Polestar has done pretty well. Okay, let's see how much clutter we can carry in the boot. So I've got over 400 liters of space, so very actually good. 2 essential items, an overpriced designer handbag and overpriced coffee capsules. That's a vital element of being an influencer in Monaco. We have actually a little bit more storage space down here. We can store the charging cables. So the overall build quality of Polestar is actually very good, but I mean, this is a little bit flimsy. It's like a piece of feather. Just get rid of the bloody thing. And if I just unlock that, we close that. And that's enough about the boot space.
Thought I could control it. So many chances I have blown. This I'm not doing.
Okay, time to charge this beast. So this particular model is a long-range twin motor. You can get the single motor. Now Polestar promises a range of about 480 kilometers. That might be true in town with mild weather conditions, ideal scenario, but we don't live in an ideal world, and a bit of motorway, a bit of air conditioning, and you look at a range of about 380 kilometers, which is not bad. So I'm just off the motorway at the Ionity charging stations. These are the superchargers, so it will be pumping 350 kilowatts. And let's see how fast we are. So I've got battery level 35%. It is 2:15. Let's see how quick we're gonna be. So, where are my keys? I've forgotten my keys. Here they are. Got this key ring conveniently located, so easy peasy. Green people are charging. Voila. Right, okay. Let's depart. It's all actually quite straightforward. You just scan your little card, confirmed, and we are pumping. I'm gonna have a coffee, use a bathroom, and let's see where we're at when we return. Break. It is now 2:30 p.m. so 15 minutes. I am at 62%. Even though these chargers are 350 kilowatts, the charging cap for Polestar 2 is 150 kilowatts. Now, it's not the greatest, but it's not bad. To take the battery from 10% to 80% using those chargers, it will take you only 31 minutes. Now, if you want to charge this car at home, you certainly can. Using a wall box, 7.4 kilowatts, it will take you about 12 hours. And now, it's time to hit the road. So let's continue our journey, shall we? In Monaco are often very rich, but you see, having an electric car here makes it even richer because you can charge it completely free of charge using those chargers called Monaco On. You don't have to download an app, you don't have to put your credit card details in, you just drive in, plug in, charge and go, or cars stay, nobody controls this thing, which means these chargers are hardly ever available because you can just leave your car, plug it in, and you can stay here for days. Free parking. So very clever of Monaco people. Rich or just a little bit stingy. So that's Polestar 2. Make me feel different. It sure does. But the question is, do I want to feel different in this way? I'm not so sure. But what I am sure about is a solid combustion engine. It's the answer to everything. It gives you all you want and all you need. Thank you very much for watching.